In this tutorial, we will learn about substitute function. So go to formula, click on text category and click on substitute. So here is the substitute function argument window. Substitute function replaces the existing text with a new text in a text string. That means if you want to change any text within a text string with a new text string, you can do that with a substitute function. So here we have 4 arguments. 3 arguments are compulsory and last argument is optional. So first argument is text. So here it is the text or reference to a cell that contains text in which you want to substitute characters. That means here you have to put a text string from where you want to replace a particular text, or you can also give a reference here. So I will give A2 as a reference. So we can see we do not got any result because these two are compulsory. We have to put these two values. Number 2, old text. It is the existing text you want to replace. So what we want to replace? So we want to replace happy. Here we want to replace the age. So type here age within quote. Now here new text. Here I want to put within quote. So you can see we got the result now. It's happy. So we want to change this age to n, but still we have the result happy because substitute function is case sensitive. So you have to put in a same case. So here it is in capital H, so you have to put in capital H. Now you can see the result changes to nappy. And here in instant number, maybe there are 2H or 2P. So which P or which H you want to change? First, second, third. For that you have to put, if you want to change the first character, then 1, then 2. Then in case of P, suppose you want to change the P to F, then here type small p with small f. So here you can see it is happy now. Both P are changed to F. But if I type here 1, then only the first P is changed to F. Second is still same. But if I change here 2, then second P is changed to F, not the first P. So you have to remember substitute is case sensitive, and if you want to change a particular character, then you have to put the instant number. So we change here A2 as reference and we change the happy, that is H, to capital N, and we don't put any instant number. So we got nappy. Now here we want to change this H into P. So type here substitute. Now the text first, this one, comma, old text. Old text is small h. So small h, comma, new text to small p, and no instant number because we want to change all small h to small p. So bracket close and enter. So we got happy. And here we have fit, FWT, and we want to change the second E to A. So type here substitute. This is the old text, comma, sorry, this is the text, and the old text is E, and it is small e, comma, new text is A, and it should be small a, comma, instant number should be 2 because we want to change the second E. Then bracket close and enter. So we got fit. Now here we want to remove this question mark. So here type substitute, text is this one, comma, old text. So old text is question mark, comma, new text is blank, that is null value, double quote. Do not put anything between double quote, comma, no instance number, so no comma, bracket close and enter. So You can see the question mark is removed. Now here we want to change the employee 001 to employee 002. So equal to substitute. This one is text, comma, old text is 1. So type here 1, comma, new text 2, bracket close and enter. EMP002. And here we want to change the EMP001 to EMP011. So type here substitute, text is this one, comma, old text 0, comma, new text 1, comma, and now here we need the instant number because here is 2 0. So we want to change this second 0. So type here 2, bracket close and enter. And if you want to change the first 0, then just in the instant number go to 1, it will become 101. And now here we see a text, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And here we want to change the THE into A. So here is one THE, here is one THE. Here it is in proper case and it is in lower case. So type here equal to substitute and select this text string, comma, old text THE, comma, new text A, then bracket close and enter. Now you can see this THE didn't change because it is in capital letter. But here if I remove this T and give a small t, you can see here also we got A. So in this way you have to use this substitute function to get your problem solved. Now here we have SCC. Now we want to get the full form of this, that is Saha Computer Education Center. So how to do that? With substitute function. Type here equal to substitute text, comma, old text capital S, comma, new text Saha space double quote bracket close, enter. So you got Saha CEC. Now you have to change this first C. So here before this substitute we have to put another substitute and at the end, comma, old text equal to C. So type here within quotation capital C, comma, new text will be computer space quotation close, comma, instant number. Here is 2C. So we have to replace the first C. So type here 1, bracket close, enter. So we got Saha Computer EC. Now we have to change this E. So again after equal to, again type substitute, go to end, this total formula will be the text, comma, old text will be E, capital E, comma, new text will be education. So within quotation education space quotation close bracket close. We don't need instant number because we have only one E, Saha Computer Education C. Now here in this text we can see here one capital C and here is also one capital C. So we have to change this second capital C. So again here substitute, comma, you have to go to the end here because all the formula here it is the text. You can see here, press F9, press F9, it is the text. We have to change this C. So here old text is capital C, comma, the new text will be center space quotation close. So here also we have to put one quotation, okay. and comma, an instant number. We have already seen that there are two C, capital C. So we have to change the second C. So we have given 2, then bracket close and enter. So we got Saha Computer Education Center. So in this way you can use this substitute function to solve all your problems. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, but still if you have any queries you can write me in the comment section. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any videos from our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.